Tesla ditches India after years of broken promises. Tesla's long-running effort to establish a manufacturing presence in India is officially over. India's Minister of Heavy Industries Kumaraswamy confirmed on May 19, 2026, that Tesla has informed authorities it will not proceed with a manufacturing facility in the country. Tesla first signaled serious interest in India around 2021, when it began hiring local staff and lobbying the Indian government for lower import tariffs. The ask was straightforward: reduce duties enough for Tesla to test the market with imported vehicles before committing capital to a local factory. India's position was equally firm, with an ask of Tesla to commit to manufacturing first, then receive tariff relief. Neither side moved, and the talks quietly collapsed. Tesla to open first India Experience Center in Mumbai on July 15. India had offered a policy that would reduce import duties from 110% down to 15% on EVs priced above $35,000, provided companies committed at least $500 million toward local manufacturing investment within 3 years. Tesla declined to participate. The tariff standoff was only part of the problem. Analysts pointed to significant gaps in India's local supply chain, inadequate industrial infrastructure, and a mismatch between Tesla's premium pricing and the purchasing power of India's automotive market, as additional factors that made the investment difficult to justify. First signs of an unraveling relationship came in April 2024, when Musk abruptly canceled a planned trip to India, where he was set to meet Prime Minister Modi and announce Tesla's market entry. By July 2024, Fortune reported that Tesla executives had stopped contacting Indian government officials entirely. The government at that point understood Tesla had capital constraints and no plans to invest. The more fundamental issue is that Tesla's existing factories are currently operating at approximately 60% capacity, making a commitment to building new manufacturing capacity in a new market difficult to defend to investors. Tesla will continue selling imported Model Y vehicles through its existing showrooms in Mumbai, Delhi, Gurugram, and Bengaluru, but local production is no longer part of the plan. Source: reposted and summarized from Gene at teslarati.